Let's create a glowing text effect in Premiere Pro. First, create your text and change anything in Essential Graphic and make sure the font is white. Then go to Effect and search for Drop Shadow. Drag and drop it to your text layer. Then go to Effect Control, set the shadow color to white, opacity 50, distance 0 and change the softness to 10. Now let's duplicate the drop shadow. Select and press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Then adjust the top drop shadow, not the bottom. Increase the softness to 50. Duplicate the drop shadow again, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Increase the softness to 100. Duplicate again, 200. Duplicate again, 400. Duplicate and 1000. Then, to change the color, search for Tint in the Effect panel. Add it and make sure it's above all the drop shadows. Then, change Map White to any color you want. And you can save this as preset. Or you can watch this video to get this glow effect and more effects for free. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace!